Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today I'll be learning how to turn off automatic video backup on Terabox, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off or disable the automatic video backup on Terabox, first open up your Terabox app on your phone. And after opening your Terabox app, guys, on this interface you can see the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen, and kind of panel will appear where you can see the first option that says automatic backup. Tap on the automatic backup option over here just above the space analyzer, and you land over here where you can see the option automatic video backup available for us. Now in order to turn off or disable the automatic video backup on Terabox, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of that option, and when this pop-up box appears where it says confirm to disable, tap on the close button over here, and then your automatic video backup on Terabox will be turned off or disabled. And with that being said, guys, this is how to turn off automatic video backup on Terabox. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.